Most players run past survey beacons without a second thought, but if you learn to use them right, they can be the difference between surviving late game or getting caught out in the open. Survey beacons, marked by these satellite icons on the map, let recon legends like Bloodhound, Crypto, Valk, Vantage, Sparrow, and Seer scan the map to find enemies within 500 meters. Knowing that information early gives your squad a massive positioning advantage. Here's how to use them. First, you find the beacon towers scattered around the map. They're marked on your minimap with the little tower icon as I've shown earlier. Next, you interact with the beacon and hold the prompt until the scan finishes. Once it completes, the enemies within 500 meters will be marked on your map. Now, here's some insights. Using Crypto's drone or Sparrow's tracker dart will activate the survey beacon immediately. Beacons release 3 pulses over the course of 15 seconds, marking enemies for 5 seconds each pulse. Using survey beacons can help you lock down enemy positions and guarantee survivability. Start making it a habit in your matches, and you'll notice your win rate climb fast.